Just want to show you this paddle. We've been out here, the water is getting pretty choppy, but I had a good scoop ability. You see the curve on that paddle there. I think this is like carbon fiber. It's ultra lightweight, and you see it from this angle here as well. Like I said, we were just out on some paddle boards with this, and I gotta say, you can start to see how choppy the water is. The storms are starting to come in, so we rode on back, but I had good scoopers on both sides, and there's, yeah, it just puts together right here with this, and you can angle it too if you desire to do so. I like it straight, so I have it in the middle slot there. It's very lightweight. I really enjoyed this paddle out here. I thought, it was strong. It didn't flex any. You can see here, this is even very strong, trying to move that. So yeah, it did a great job out here, and it comes in different colors, but I got orange to match my board here. So just wanted to show it to you, describe it for you, let you see it. And it works great for kayaks, paddle boards, whatever you desire to do, and however you want to move in the water. This will get it done for you.